Bitcoin broke the declining resistance we have been talking about in my previous video, and we have seen a surge in the price of Bitcoin, but this is not the only resistance Bitcoin has been breaking. Bitcoin has been breaking an awesome resistance level right here in this chart. Guys, I'm going to explain you exactly what this means for the crypto space right now. And guys, the total crypto market cap just hit a complete market cap of 1 trillion US dollars. So guys, that is awesome. And next to that, we are as well going to have a look at Chainlink in the US dollar comparative, Ethereum and Bitcoin comparative, because eventually we have seen the breakout we have been waiting for. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. And guys, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, let's all take a minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be awesome. And right now we are looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, and I want to bring out this very important moving average, which is the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which is showing us and determining whether we are in an uptrend or whether we are going to see a downtrend. And right now, Bitcoin is clearly still in a strong uptrend. And in my previous video, I've been calling, guys, that we are getting squeezed right here between the uptrending support, 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and the declining resistance. And eventually, Bitcoin needed to choose a direction, breaking out to the upside or breaking out to the downside. Clearly, Bitcoin broke out to the upside, and we have seen a nice rally so far. And the target of this triangle formation was the width of the triangle right here, put at the point of breakout. And then you can see that right now we just have hit our target right here at approximately 37,150 US dollar. So guys, that is awesome. The bullish momentum right now is still with Bitcoin, and yeah, right here we can see it as well on the 1-hour time frame, and this is the 20-hourly moving average, a very important moving average in the shorter term time frame. That the moment we are breaking above this level is acting as support, and we bounced off from this level. So we already could know that the bullish momentum is stepping in right here in the 1-hour time frame before we actually have seen the breakout of the resistance. So guys, right here we can see it, right? If I would draw a declining resistance right here in the momentum indicator, the relative strength index, the RSI, then we can see that we had a declining resistance here as well, same as we have seen right here in the price. But at a certain moment we are breaking the resistance in the momentum indicator, which is showing us or giving us a signal that right now we are going to see increased bullish momentum. That, guys, combined with breaking above the 20-hourly moving average, and most importantly backtest the 20-hourly moving average as support and see a bounce from this level, this is showing us already beforehand, yeah, that we were going to break out right here from the declining resistance. Like the previous example right here, you can see that we indeed broke above the 20-hourly moving average as well, but we haven't came back to backtest it as the new support and see a bounce from this level. Now, the moment we are backtesting the 20-hourly moving average right here, we broke below this level. And in this specific example, we also didn't break the resistance in the momentum indicator. So guys, these are small signals you can use when you are trading Bitcoin, which is showing you already some confirmations before we are actually seeing the breakout. And guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can trade these breakouts, how you can spot these patterns, and how you can calculate whether the trade of a certain pattern is actually worth taking, and how you can calculate the exact entry point and the best exit point, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course, guys, where I'm teaching you all the ins and outs about the cryptocurrency markets. And in the cryptocurrency trading course, you will learn everything, guys. You will learn how to read the charts, how to use this trading view software, how to read these patterns, how to calculate your entry and exit point, how to set a good risk to reward ratio, apply risk management, and as well how to execute these trades on the exchange itself. So guys, for all the traders who are interested in taking the next level in their trading game, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. The link is down below in the description. So guys, what is going to happen right now with the price of Bitcoin? Well, as most of you guys know, the trend is your friend until the end. And the trend right now is definitely pointing to the upside because we are using a couple of moving averages to determine the trend. And right now, Bitcoin is trading above all of these moving averages and has backtested these moving averages as support. So right here, we can see the 20 hourly moving average right now is acting as support in the shorter term time frame, which means that Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame right now is in a uptrend. The 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame is a very important moving average. Right here you can see it as well. When the momentum of Bitcoin is slowing down, this level is coming up and acting as support. Bitcoin is bouncing off from this level, and we have seen it in the recent pullback where we have seen a 20% pullback as well. Bitcoin is bouncing off from the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So guys, it looks like that this right now is one of the major supports right here in the shorter term time frame. Of course, the 20 hourly moving average is very significant in the immediate short term. However, the 50 moving average is a very important moving average right here in the short term, showing us that right now the trend is definitely to the upside. If we were to break below this level decisively, then I think that could be one of the first signs that Bitcoin is transitioning into a downtrend or is going to see some form of a correction. Then guys, let's have a look at the following Bitcoin chart, and that is the Bitcoin chart in Google Trends. How many people are looking for Bitcoin in Google? And right now I'm looking at the global the global measurement right here, and you can see we just have blasted through this horizontal resistance. And guys, believe it or not, but right here we can see a resistance as well. This is approximately at the level of 25. We got rejected from this level a couple of times, and right now we are breaking above this level. And guys, this basically means that retail money is arriving. And guys, that is also a moment you have to be careful, because if we have a look at the chart right now, let's go to the weekly time frame, and let's get rid of the drawings right here. Let's get rid of the moving averages. Then we can see that right now Bitcoin is just going parabolic, right? We are seeing Bitcoin is getting a lot of media attention in the news, and we can see right here that the retail money is arriving as well. Right now the risks in Bitcoin are going to increase. The volatility most likely is going to increase, and in the price action of Bitcoin, emotion is going to play a bigger role. So guys, do take that in mind when trading. Right now Bitcoin is going parabolic, retail money is arriving as well, which means that most likely we can see increased volatility and a increased emotional state in the markets. However guys, do take in mind that you should not be touching your HODL position unless you have a DCA strategy, exit strategy to get out of your HODL position, because of course I highly believe that Bitcoin is going to see higher levels this year, 2021, that most likely we are going to see a $100,000 Bitcoin price. So it is not worth it right here to really touch your long-term HODL position. So guys, do take that in mind that we could potentially see a correction sooner or later right here. That is going to be an inevitable event. However, Bitcoin is still going to see higher levels, most likely in the near future. So that is the reason why you always should have a HODL position which you are not touching at all under any circumstances, because you don't want to miss the opportunity when Bitcoin is getting globally adopted to miss a piece of the pie, right? So guys, right now I want to go to the next chart, which is the complete crypto market cap, because we actually have reached quite a milestone right there, and that is touching the $1 trillion market cap. So guys, when we have a look right here on the daily time frame in the total crypto market cap, then we can see a continuation of this increase. If we have a look at the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, then we can see an increase as well. And guys, this is quite an important chart, or two charts I have to say, because when we are seeing an increase in this market cap excluding Bitcoin, that means that new money is arriving and is entering altcoins. So when altcoins are gaining in US dollar valuation, then it doesn't really mean that the Bitcoin dominance has to come down due to the fact that new money is arriving and is going into altcoins as well. But guys, at the moment, we are still seeing a slight decrease in the Bitcoin dominance, right? We have broken below this important uptrending support. Afterwards, we have seen a drop to the downside. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is hovering around 69% approximately. And yeah, most likely we will be cooling off here a little bit. Might even see a bounce before we are going to see lower levels. That's what I'm thinking right now. We have a small bullish divergence right here on the 4-hour time frame, where in the price we are in the chart, we setting lower lows, but in the RSI we have been setting higher lows, which could mean that we are going to see a small bounce right here or just some sideways movement before we are going to see lower levels eventually, guys. So this is something to take in mind. This chart is definitely one of the most important charts you have to be watching when you are trading altcoins. And guys, I have been talking about Chainlink in general, right? I've been talking about Chainlink in a US dollar comparative, Bitcoin comparative, and Ethereum comparative. And I've been explaining to you guys that I do think that Chainlink is the next altcoin who is going to break out and most likely is going to increase in value in all of these comparisons, all of these chart comparisons. And guys, right now we are seeing it happening. Chainlink broke the declining resistance right here to the upside, and we saw a nice surge in the price. And guys, Chainlink is up right now since we have breaking out from the resistance approximately 20%. So that is quite nice, quite a nice gain. And yeah, Chainlink actually is looking quite bullish. And guys, this also makes total sense, right? We have first Bitcoin starting a rally. After Bitcoin, we always have the second king in the crypto markets, which is Ethereum. And Ethereum is following Bitcoin, which we have seen in this rally as well. But after Ethereum is seeing an increase, we are seeing liquidity being more spread over the crypto markets in general. And yeah, then you have of course a couple of altcoins which are quite good performers, and one of those altcoins is Chainlink. Chainlink has been a great performer in the past, 219, 220. So yeah, I do think this trend will continue and Chainlink eventually will continue this uptrend, and that is what we are seeing right now in this chart as well. And guys, when we have a look at Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, then I've been talking to you guys that right here at this horizontal level, I do think that we could be seeing a reversal, at least a bounce. That is due to the fact that this horizontal support level is a very key support level. It has been acting as resistance in the past, but the moment we broke above this level has been acting as support right here. We have a great example, right? This level has been acting as resistance, and the moment we broke above this level, it has been acting as support. We have been bouncing off from this level, but right here, when we have a look at Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, then we can see we are touching this level and we are seeing a divergence with the RSI, which is showing us that the momentum right here, there's bullish momentum right here in the background, and yeah, most likely we are going to see a bounce to the upside and potentially even see a reversal right here, guys, which means that eventually we could be entering from this downtrend, entering right now a uptrend right here. And of course, a uptrend never goes in one line to the upside, guys. A uptrend goes with ups and downs, so take that in mind, that we are not right now going in one straight line, of course, to the upside. This is something we need to be watching. It's very important that Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative is continuing this trend of setting higher lows and higher highs. But yeah, this chart is looking bullish as well. So that's not only Chainlink in the US dollar comparative. Then guys, let's have a look at Chainlink against Ethereum, because here we have seen actually quite similar chart as we have seen with Chainlink against Bitcoin. We are approaching a very important key level, and as we are approaching this key support level in Chainlink against Ethereum, we are as well setting a bullish divergence on the RSI, guys. So that is quite important. Same story as Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative. Most likely we are going to see a bounce right here, where we are seeing the start from right now. And yeah, eventually this could be an early sign of a trend reversal from a downtrend right here into a uptrend right here. So guys, when we have a look at Ethereum against the US dollar, then we have seen a massive increase, a parabolic rally. And yeah, Ethereum is just following the price action of Bitcoin and going towards the previous all-time high at approximately $1,400. And guys, do take in mind, the trend is your friend right now with Ethereum against the US dollar. The trend is definitely pointing to the upside. However, guys, I do want to point out some concerns that I'm seeing right here, and that is that the way we are seeing the rally right now in Ethereum, it is just looking quite insane. We have a consolidation right here. Then we're breaking out to the upside, right? We have a consolidation right here, breaking out to the upside. Really small consolidation, breaking out to the upside. So guys, normally when we are seeing a decrease in these consolidation moments and we are seeing the price going parabolic like this, that is actually a warning signal showing us that we are getting closer to a top. And especially when we are seeing increased volatility, those are one of the signs that we are getting closer to a top as well. And when we are zooming in on the price of Ethereum, then we can see we have some increased volatility right here as well. We are forming a bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So it looks like, in general, it looks like to me, guys, that the momentum in Bitcoin in this whole rally is higher than we are seeing with other coins. So guys, don't get me wrong, Ethereum right now is definitely still in a uptrend. We are going parabolic to the upside. You cannot bet against that. However, we are seeing some signals showing us right now that the momentum right here in the background is slowing down. Also do take in mind that these bearish divergences, they don't mean anything unless we are breaking some key support levels. However, these are some first warning signs that I'm seeing. We are seeing the consolidation moments, they are decreasing as well. The periods of consolidation, which is a warning signal, general as well, showing us that we are getting closer to a top. So guys, do take that in mind when looking at Ethereum against US dollar. We are on a strong uptrend. Ethereum is bullish. However, we are seeing some warning signals in the background. So be careful when you are longing Ethereum, for example. Have a tight stop loss. So yeah, you'll be stopped out if we were to see a sell-off or if we were to see some selling pressure right here. Then guys, quick talk about XRP against the US dollar. Because right here we have been forming some form of a falling wedge pattern. I've been talking to you guys right here that I think it's not a bad time if you are interested in XRP to accumulate some XRP right here. Right now we have broken above a certain horizontal resistance right here, and yeah, this trade right now is up approximately 17%. So that is not a bad trade, guys. And yeah, this was actually quite a safe trade, like I've mentioned in my previous video as well. We have a falling wedge pattern. We are exiting that falling wedge pattern with a bullish divergence, and eventually we are breaking the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And guys, again, if you want to know exactly how you should approach these patterns in the markets, then you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course, where I'm explaining you everything about these patterns, when to enter, when to exit, how you can spot if these patterns are worth it, or where the exact resistance is, how you can spot a breakout, and how you can spot a fake out. All of that is included in the cryptocurrency trading course. And I would also recommend everybody who is interested in growing as a trader to enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course. It has been life-changing for a lot of students. I got a lot of awesome reactions from people who have been following my cryptocurrency trading course. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so guys, let's all take a minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That would be amazing. Let's check if we can push this video to as much people as possible. Then guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in signing up on one of the cryptocurrency exchanges that I'm using, and you are interested in getting a bonus while doing that, you can find all of my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. And when you sign up using my specific affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. Then guys, I wish all of you an amazing day. For the ones that haven't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.